Here we've got CUBOT Power, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, and now it's time to enter the first one, which is *##06#. It's the shortest code, which will provide you with both email numbers for your device, for both SIM cards. Tap on OK to go back, and now we will go to the second code, which is *##225#*#. And now you've got the calendar info here, so all the events, celebrations, alerts from the Google account are included here. Also, the holidays from the place that you currently stay in will be also included in this calendar info, so you will not forget about any important event. Let me go back, and now it's time for the third code, which is *##426#*##. And now we are in diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. If you will click on the more icon, you can allow advanced view. So as you can see now, you can see way more advanced informations here. Let's go back, and now it's time for another code, which is *##4636#*##. And now we are in testing mode, performed by Google, where you can check phone info. So you can find here email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and all the others. You can also run a ping test here. Simply click here, and now below you will notice the solution. Let's go back. Now you can also check the battery information. So here you'll find all details regarding your battery, such as battery status, power plug, battery level, scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, and also time since boot. Let me go back. And the third function is usage statistics. Simply open it, and here you will find all the details regarding your usage of the apps. So as you can see, all applications are included here. We can go back, and finally the last option is Wi-Fi info. So let me open it. At first, let's go to Wi-Fi APA, where you will find all disabled networks, disconnected networks, enabled networks, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you will locate all configured networks. And finally, in Wi-Fi status, you will be able to check all the status regarding your Wi-Fi. Obviously, you can also run a ping test here. Simply click to do it, and below you will notice the results. So let me go back. And now it's time for a very useful code. It's actually the last one, and it's *##1234###. And now, as you can see, we are in test mode, where you can test all the features in your device, such as blacklit, camera, receiver, vibrate, video, reboot, and also restore. Let me perform, for example, vibrate test one more time. As you can see, it has been recently done, but let's do it one more time. And as you can see, as you can actually hear and I can feel, vibrate is correct. So for example, if we will go back, it's still working correctly. Now we can go back to the test mode, and as you can see, it passed. You can also check the camera, receiver, and all the others. It's all up to you. Just test the features that you would like to check. So that's all. These are all secret codes for your CUBOT Power. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.